Are you looking to enhance your WordPress posts with valuable external links? In just a few simple steps, I'll show you how to easily add external links that boost your SEO and keep your readers engaged. Let's get started. Log in to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Posts and select All Posts. Open the post you want to edit. Highlight the text where you want to insert the external link. Click on the link icon in the toolbar above. A dialog box will appear. Paste or type in the URL of the external site you wish to link to. Check Open Link in a new tab if you want users to stay on your site after clicking. Update your post by clicking on Save. Test your external link by clicking it within preview mode. Thanks for watching this tutorial on adding external links to your WordPress posts. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on mastering WordPress.